Hi friends, do you know different types of variable in OOPS Python? So there are three types of variable. First one is instance variable. So instance variable are the variable whose separate copy is created at the time of object creation. Then second one is class variable, also called as static variable. So class variable are the variables whose single copy is created at the class level. And third one is local variable. To meet temporary requirement, if you need any type of variable, then we can directly define in a method such type of variables called local variable. Let me explain this through a real life scenario. Suppose if you want to create class student, then in student class we can create many variable. Suppose to identify individual students, we need its roll number or student name. So we require this at the time of object creation. Then we will define it as instance variable. And we know school name and board name are same for all the objects. Then we can define it as class variable or static variable. And suppose we have some another method to calculate average mark, and here we have defined average mark variable, so it is called as local variable. So these are three types of variables in OOPS Python. Thank you.